Calgary Snowstorm Warning. Snowstorm warning issued for Calgary and surrounding areas, Calgary. December 12, 2021. Environment Canada issued a snowstorm warning for Calgary and surrounding areas, including Cochrane and Airdrie, until 5 p.m. Saturday. A line of heavy snowfall and gusty winds, oriented east-west, runs from Cochrane to Carbon and travels south at 40 km per hour, the weather agency said. Visibility in snow and blizzard will quickly drop to almost zero. The travel is expected to be hazardous due to limited visibility in some areas. Snowstorm warnings are issued when short but intense snow waves cause near zero visibility, Environment Canada said. Subscribe to the channel. And we wish you good weather.